Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, center armrest, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.